Hello guys, hope you are doing good. Today we are just going to solve a problem mostly people are facing, like when they install a fresh window, then they could not see their all the hard drives, and mostly in case it's in case of SSD hard drive. So let's start. First we see the issue, what's going on. Okay, here we can see we have only a C drive which is almost 100 GB. The other drive, like a total of my hard drive is 250 GBs. So remaining is not showing here. So let's see where it is. If we right click there, we will see a properties. We will go on tools, in optimize. Here we can see it's a C drive only. It's a solid state drive, and you can see it's showing with the name of C, and the other is like something, it does not have any name, as you can see, uh, and I cannot optimize it. So let's get started. Why this issue I just faced? Actually, I just installed fresh Windows. So I just deleted all the partitions. After that, I just see when I installed my window and open my laptop's window. So I just check in a PC. So there was just a C drive, not my other drive. So what we need to do is, very quickly we will go for disk management. If we search here, it's a Windows 11. In other Windows you can find in a search bar disk. We will see create and format hard drive disk, partition or disk management. Both will be the for same app. So here we can go. Here you can see C drive is 100 GBs, as we can see here in my computer, and the other one is 100 MBs. We do not need to recover this because it's a recovery disk. So here is the second partition that I made, but I cannot see in my this computer or this PC folder. So what we need to do is, we will right click, change drive format, add. Okay, here we can see it's a almost 140 GBs. So why was that reason happens? Actually, this drive do not have a name. That is why our window just confused, and it just hide that remaining partition. So what we do this, it's a D. Normally after C it's a D, E, F and other letters. We will choose anyone that you like. Normally we do a D drive. We will go for OK, and you can see instantly my window just pick up this partition. So let's see in this PC. Yes, here you can see we have recovered. Now because we need to format this to work it properly, as you can see 140 GB capacity, and the default setting will be fine. So quick format should be tick, and after that you will go for start and OK. Okay, that's it. We can see it's a formatted, and here is our remaining partition of our hard drive SSD solid state. So here you can see we can create any folder or anything we would like, we can use it. Here you can see. Okay, once I will close it and open it. So here is the solution. I just told you in detail. Hope you like my instructions and you like the video. So I am very much hope you will be subscribe me for the other videos as well. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.